Let's need to open the task manager and search for Fortnite and Epic Game Launcher. If that is running in background means you need to end the task. Completely end the task of Epic Game Launcher and Fortnite. Once complete after, you need to come back and go to Epic Game Launcher and click the properties and go to compatibility and make sure run the program as administrator should be in enable mode. Again click it and go to open file location and go click the Epic game, click Fortnite, click net Fortnite game, click binary, click Win64, scroll down and right click, go to properties, compatibilities and check all the options should be in disable mode. Go to EC anti-cheat and double click and it should be running like this. Okay, it should be running like this. If it's not running means have issue, so you need to reinstall it. After, go to Epic Game Launcher and go to library and scroll down, click the three dot icon, go to manage and click verify files. It will take some time to verify the entire Fortnite folders and files. Once complete after, you need to close it and come and search for Windows Defender Firewall. In this allow an app of features for Windows Defender Firewall is that click it and click change settings and scroll down and click Epic Game Launcher and Fortnite. The Epic Game Launcher and Fortnite should be in enable mode and make sure it should be in private and public mode. After, go to browse. The easiest method, you need to open file location and copy the address of the Epic Game Launcher and go to browse and paste it. Easily you get the Epic Game Launcher. After getting this, click add. This is how to add the Epic Game Launcher in Windows Defender Firewall. The next step, you need to go to settings and scroll the settings and go to network and internet. Go to advanced network and settings. Click network reset and reset your network. Click reset now and reset your network. Once complete after, go to system and go to display and scroll down. You have seen graphics. Make sure the advanced graphics settings hardware acceleration should be in turn off mode. Once complete after, go back and restart your PC to fix the issue. Thank you.